The Security Operations Center, or SOC, is the nerve center of an organization's cybersecurity defenses. It operates 24/7, monitoring networks, systems, and applications for any signs of suspicious activity. When potential security incidents are detected, whether through automated alerts or manual analysis, they are swiftly investigated to determine their nature and severity. SOC's analysts meticulously analyze these incidents, gathering data from various sources to piece together the complete picture. Once the threat is understood, the SOC initiates a response to contain the incident and minimize its impact. This could involve isolating affected systems, deploying patches, or blocking malicious traffic. Throughout this process, detailed records are maintained to track security incidents, responses, and outcomes. These reports are invaluable for understanding the organization's security posture, identifying trends, and improving overall cybersecurity defenses. The SOC is staffed by highly trained cybersecurity professionals who are dedicated to protecting the organization's assets and data from cyber threats. In today's digital landscape, where cyber attacks are becoming increasingly sophisticated and persistent, the SOC plays a critical role in ensuring the security and resilience of modern digital environments.